Hello, student. Good morning. Is my voice audible to you? Hello, student. Good morning. So everyone has given test two, right? Anyone is left of giving test two? And assignment two you have submitted. Now you need to make lab manual and you need to upload in Google Classroom. You need to make a lab manual and you need to upload in a Google Classroom. Within this Saturday, this Friday or this Saturday, I have given the time. Please upload the lab manual in that.
Sir,
Yes,
hello,
sir.
sir. Sir, that practicals you uploaded in e-content.
Yes.
Sir, if you download it, it does not open, sir. Windows Defender will not allow it to open, sir. I
So
don't know
you
why.
need to you just off the Windows Defender real time protection.
Okay,
You
sir.
just off the real time protection, it will be downloaded and then it will be open.
Okay, sir.
Okay, got it? So yesterday, last lab till which practical we have done? Can anyone tell me which practical we have completed in last lab? 27 was completed. So we need to start with 28 practical. Today we will complete 28 and 29 both practical. So what is 28th practical? We will start with our session. Write a ASP code to provide require field validation and control field validation. Both two field validation you need to give control field validation and control require field validation. So my question is, what is field validation? Can anyone tell me what is validation? What is validation? Simple question. What is validation? Very few people have joined the session. Why? What other people are doing? Sleeping at the home. What is validation? Can anyone tell me what is validation? Chelsea Utsav. What is validation? What is validation? Validation is to prove something that is based on truth, fact, or acceptable. It means like you have something like contract or legal. You may also sometimes validate. It is known as validation. It is a process of establishing documentary evidence demonstrating that a procedure, process, or activity carried out in the testing and then production maintains the desired level of compliance at the stage. So, what is validation? For example, if you are registering on registration page, right? So, in registration page there is a mobile number, field with mobile number. So, in that field you need to give at least in maximum means minimum or maximum 10 digit only. You cannot give 9 digit or 11 digit, otherwise it will not accept. At this point, validation comes under proof. This is known as validation. You need to maintain a validation in registration field. In many other field, you need to maintain a validation. This is known as validation. Okay, understood what is validation? Can anyone give me another example of validation? Utsav, Chelsea, Mohini, Himani, what is validation and give example of validation? I will ask you in Viva what is validation and give example of validation. Alvis, what is validation? Yes, Jigisha, you are correct. Birth date. But in birth date, what is validation? Which type of validation they might have put in birth date? Which type of validation they might have put? I think so. 18 plus. In birth date, they might have put 18 plus here. Age restriction. Yes, you are correct. Jigisha has given correct answer. Very good, Jigisha. Age restriction. What other are doing? Chelsea, Imani, Aishwarya, Mohini. Yes, you are correct, always. Controls validate the user input data to ensure that unless unauthenticated or contradictory data doesn't get stored. Very good. So I am giving you time to complete practical number 28. Start doing practical number 28. Who write a ASP code to provide required field validation and control field validation. Require field validation and control field validation. You need to write. You need to make one simple registration form type page in that both require field validation and control field validation you need to keep.
Sir, sir,
Yes, Utsav.
sir. Once can I share my screen, sir?
Okay. Okay, share your screen.
Sir, sir. In this which you uploaded in e-content. So see,
Yes.
if I open this, so see, if I open this, it will show this much only, and so nothing will come.
Now go to fourth practical. Solution is written there. Go to fourth practical. Not that. Not that. In
Yes,
Visual Studio. Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, go to fourth.
here.
Yes. Down, down, down. Yes. Now double click on that.
Yes, sir.
So it is not opening. Right? Play. Put play button. Start. Enter number.
Yes, sir.
It is
But
not offline.
yes, sir. But that code is not showing, sir.
So for code, you need to file. Go to file.
Where, sir?
Go
Here.
to file. Open project.
No, sir. It is not.
It is not
Uh,
showing you.
yes, sir.
Now close Visual Studio. Again open only Visual Studio.
Over here, sir. Open a project or solution.
Yes, open a project or solution. Now just click on two. No. Just click on two. Yes, open.
Sir, it will open this.
Whole project it is not opening, right?
Yes, sir.
It should be open. Why it is not opening in
I,
2019?
no, sir. In 2010 also it will not open.
You are having 10?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will open this. Then if
Now
I
put
open,
SLN. Back. Yes.
so same thing will happen. Output
So
that
even
code
that
is not.
folder also it is not opening.
Yes, sir. That code is not showing, sir. If I
Yes, that
run,
code is not showing.
if I run, output will come, but sir,
So
it,
open again, open the project. Now go to practical. Yes.
so in this option, what add to solution or close solution?
Close solution.
This one, sir, again.
No. Wait. Again open that. Yes. Go there. Then fourth. Then fourth need down. Yes. Open that.
Yes, sir. Same problem.
Still it is not opening.
No, sir.
Now you will write code.
Yes, sir. I don't know, sir. I think this problem is in my only, or I don't know others, sir. But
Other there is no problem. It is.
I don't know why, sir. This. Now open, sir.
Yes, that program CS you will open, then it will open.
Okay, sir. Okay. No, sir.
Program.cs if you
Before
will
it
open,
was
it
not
will open.
opening. Just now it opened, sir.
Okay.
Before. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, got it now how to open it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So write a ASP code to provide required field validation and control field validation. So we will open Visual Studio. In that required field validation and control field validation. Practical number 28. Open website. So here there is practical number 28. Write a C# code to write ASP code to provide required field validation and control field validation. Required field validation means that text box is required. Without required field validation, you cannot move further. That is required means it is 100% required. It is essential. It is needful. It is useful. It is essential. It is needful. It is useful for registration page. So it is known as required field validation. So here we have given required field validation. Username is required field validation. Email is required field validation. Now in email we have given regular expression validation. It is known as control field validation. So this email field we are controlling. Email field we are controlling using regular expression. Email field we are controlling using regular expression. So at the rate will come. Without at the rate, the email will won't work. Email box will won't work. Then password, then confirm password, then button, submit button.
સર
હેલો, યસ મોહિની.
તમારો અવાજ નથી સંભળાતો.
ઓકે, અત્યારે મેં હજી એક્સપ્લેન નહોતો કરતો, તમને એક્સપ્લેન ઓલું કરવાનો ટાઈમ આપ્યો છે, પ્રેક્ટિકલ કરવાનો ટાઈમ આપ્યો છે. I have given you time for doing a practical. Hope everyone has completed the practical. So I am explaining you now. Practical number 28. So here first we have taken required field validator and then control field validator. Email till email I have explained you email control field validator. Right? Then password and confirm password. Here compare field validator we have taken. In password and confirm password we have taken compare field validator. Then regular expression in text box ID equal to email ID equal to text box. So in email ID we have taken regular expression validator. What it will do, it will allow the user to type the email, but it will not allow user to type the email without at the rate. At the rate and dot com will be there. If at the rate and dot com is not there, it will give you the invalid email address error. So this is known as email ID. It is known as regular expression validator. Regular expression validator. So I am running the code. Please look at the program. Here you require field validator, username, email ID, password, and confirm password is there. So without entering anything, I have submitted. Click on submit. So it will give you require field validator. Please enter username. So username is compulsory to enter the. Then again I am submitting. Then again I am writing invalid email ID. So please enter valid email ID. Here it is given valid email ID. So I will give you valid email ID. At the rate Marwadi gmail.com. So this error will go if gmail.com, right? Now QWE password does not match. Here password does not match. So if you will write QWE password matches. Now if you put submit, it will allow you to enter the value. It will allow you to do the registration of the following data. Are you getting it understood, student? This was the program for require field validator and control field validation. Any doubt anywhere? If you understood what is require field validator and what is compare field means what is require field validator and what is control field validator. Everyone understood? Anyone is having any doubt till now? 28 program everyone has understood, student? Yes, Mohini, Ami, everyone has understood. Rojan, only Chelsea has understood why all other people are what other people are doing. Chigisha, have you understood? Himani, Mohini,
Sir,
yes, Utsav.
sir, how you run that program again? So once can you teach that?
I need to run the program again.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Sir, I cannot run this program. I don't know why, sir.
Share your screen. You cannot run this program. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. So this one, this run, I don't know, sir. This start button is.
Again, close and open again. Close the program and open again. No, 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 no.
Oh,
You need to give no.
yes, sir. Again, no.
Now go to file. Go to file. Open website. Then find this where this is there.
So the where is that, sir? Sir, how this much only.
Where it is stored.
So it is in downloads, but where is download option is not here, sir.
Go to Utsav. Go to desktop.
Yes, sir. I'm in desktop. This is desktop.
Desktop. So take that program on desktop and then afterwards run it.
Okay, sir.
Open.
Where is it, sir?
Where you kept that?
Oh, okay, sir. I found it.
Okay, just keep, don't, no, just keep on 28. Open.
Yes, sir.
Now
Now
run.
it is. Okay, sir. Okay, done.
Anyone is having any doubt, student? Now we will start with practical number 29. That is last practical of our syllabus. Practical number 29. What is practical number 29? Write ASP code to provide range validator and custom field validator. What is range validator and custom field validator? Range validator is that you need to enter bit, you need to give the number or you need to give something between the range. It is known as range validator. And custom field validator. What is custom field validator? The validator which you can make customize. You can customize that validator. It is known as custom field validator. For example, email box. Email box can be custom field validator, right? If you type in Google custom field validator, in ASP.NET custom field validator. So public class custom field validator system web.ui web control. It will inherit object control base level value. This is known as custom field validator. Is the page valid or not valid? You will get whole code over here. Custom field validator, you will get whole code over here. It is known as custom field validator. Use the custom validator control to provide user-defined validation function for input control. The custom validator control is separate control from the input control. It validates which allows you to control where the validation message is displayed. It is known as custom field validator. This is known as custom field validator. Everyone got it? What is validator? User-defined validator is known as custom field validator. User-defined validator is known as custom field validator. User will define something. It is known as custom field validator. User will give what the validation should look like or what the validation should be. It is known as custom field validator. So we will open practical number 29. Again here we have taken range text box, range value 1, range between 100 to 200. Here we have taken range between 100 to 200 and enter the length between 6 to 12. So here custom field validation cannot be less than 6 or greater than 10. The value cannot be less than 6 and greater than 10. It is written like that. And here range validator is given, range text box. So enter between value between 100 to 200. So here control text range text box is there. Control to validate, please enter value. Here on server validate, control to validate will not there. Control to validate custom text box. So here written custom text box. So in web.config there will be .cs. Custom field validator server to validate. So it will validate args value dot length is less than 6 or greater than, or args value is greater than 12. So here you will get the length between 6 to 12. If you will enter value, if you will enter value outside this range, it will give you an error. It is known as custom field validator. So we have made a customized. We have customized the validator control by what we require. It is known as custom field validator. So please have a look on the code and try to understand the code. I am giving you 5 minutes. Please try to understand the code.
Sir,
Yes, Utsav.
sir, while making file in this number one, install .NET framework and packages, what we have to keep, sir, in that?
Wait, I will tell you 5 minutes. Wait a minute, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Utsav, what is your issue? What is your doubt? Let me know.
Sir, that while making file in this
Yes.
experiment number one, it is install .NET framework and packages, also troubleshoot. So in that, what we have to do, sir, in while making file?
Share your screen. I am not getting it. What you are. You are getting error. So okay. You need to give okay.
No, 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 sir, not error. Wait, sir, I'll
So
share my
every time it
screen.
is asking you while making a file, you need to install .NET
No,
framework.
no, no, sir, sir, in this I'm asking. While making file, this one.
Okay, while making okay, install .NET framework packages and no, you do not need to do that practical.
Sir,
You
yes,
need to
that I
start
was
with
asking.
practical number second.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
So I am running this practical number 29. So here I am entering value 99. So it will not take. Please enter the value between 100 to 200. You need to enter the value between 100 to 200. If you will give 101, 198, the message will go. So this is the range validator. You need to enter the range between the given values. So this is known as range validator. Now enter the value between length 6 to 12. You need to do by yourself. I have given you code, but you need to do by yourself. You need to do by yourself how to enter the value between 6 to 12. Length between 6 to 12 you need to enter. So here custom text box is there. Here you need to enter the length between 6 to value. So values cannot be less than 6 and greater than 12. Values cannot be less than 6 and greater than 12. So enter the value between 6 to 12. You need to enter the value between 6 to 12. Length between 6 to 12. Enter the length between 6 to 12. This is known as custom field validator. What is known as this is known as custom field validator. So we are giving here we are making the validation box or validation control such a way that it will fulfill the user requirement. It is known as custom field validator. The validator which fulfills the user requirement, it is known as custom field validator. Are you getting it? So this was practical number 29. This was practical number 29. Are you getting it? I am running again. Enter 99 I have entered. Please enter value between 100 to 200. So 134 I have entered. It will go. Again if I will enter 10 it will 12 it will come. Values cannot be greater than 6 or less than 12. If you will enter it will go. Six character length between 6 character. Here it will enter length of 6 character. If you will enter more than 6 character, it will again it will come. See. So value cannot be less than 6 and greater than 12 character. Value cannot be less than 6 or less greater than 6 character. So your mic is on. Utsav,
Okay, sir.
so are you getting it? Values cannot be greater than 6 or values cannot be less than 6 or greater than 12. So between 6 to 12 character only you need to write, enter the value. Between 6 to 12 character only you need to enter the value. Are you getting it? This was practical number 29. So we have completed all our practical. Anyone is having any doubt till now? સમજાઈ ગયું બધાને? મોહિની, ઉત્સવ, અલ્વિશ, અમી,
Sir,
ઐશ્વર્યા.
sir, but
Yes, ઉત્સવ.
if I enter 8, again it will show value cannot be less than 6 or greater than 12.
You are entering 8 character.
Yes, sir.
So again it is showing it cannot be
Yes,
greater than.
yes, yes, sir.
Enter the 8 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So character,
Yes,
sir,
character.
I
It is about
entered
character.
number. Okay, sir. Sorry.
No, it is character about.
Okay, sir.
So everything is clear, student? Anyone is having any doubt? Let me know, please. Anyone is having any doubt? We have completed all our practical. 20 and
Sir,
29 both are completed.
so 30, 31, 32 at Sumit sir will take that.
Sumit sir will take 30, 31 and 32. Sumit sir will
Okay,
take.
sir. Sir, so we have to make 2 files, or we can keep that also in same, sir.
You can keep in the same file only.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, student? Rojan, are you getting it? What we are studying it? Parth, 28 પર સુમિત સર કરાવવાના છે ને સુમિત સર 30, 31 and 32.
સર
Yes, yes,
તમારે
Imani.
પ્રેક્ટિકલ 32 દેવાના કે 29?
ના 32 દેવાના ત્રણે ત્રણ એટલે ત્રણે ત્રણ સુમિત સર ના છે એ મારામાં એડ કરી દેજો.
ઓકે.
So everyone has understood today's both practical. Anyone is having any doubt, student, please let me know. Anyone is having any doubt? ઈમાની આજના પ્રેક્ટિકલ બી સમજાઈ ગયા રેન્જ વેલિડેટર ને અલ્વિશ મોહિની મોહિની સમજાઈ ગયા આજના પ્રેક્ટિકલ ओके पार्थ रोजर બીજું કોણ કોણ છે ઈમાની હાર્દિક ચેલ્સી ચેલ્સી have you got it today what we have done any doubt chelsea okay so please write your enrollment number name and you can leave the meeting write your enrollment number name and you can leave the meeting
Sir, this lab manual till when we have to submit?
હેલો સર
yes chelsea
સર પેલી ટેસ્ટ ના તમે માર્ક્સ નહીં આપો
હા આજે આપી દઈશ હાલ ને આજે આપણું ઓલું કરી દઈશ રિલીઝ કરી દઈશ માર્ક્સ ઓકે
એ હા હા
Ami and Roger, please leave the meeting. Ami, please leave the meeting. Ami, please leave the meeting. Ami Parekh.